When you think of innovation in the tech industry, many contenders come to mind. Data is money in the 21st century, and there's a reason why a certain database has conquered all, leaving it as the go-to database to manage gazillions of digital stuff and keep it secure. Want to know the history of the company that made this invention possible? Grab some popcorn and keep on watching. Larry Ellison was a New Yorker born in 1944, a product of the American middle class. The young Larry loved technology from an early age. He found great pleasure in tinkering with computers and improving every small detail of them. Not surprisingly, Larry wasn't interested in what the classroom offered. He found little motivation in continuing, and instead dropped out to pursue his passion for improving tech however he could. Moving to California, the home place of Silicon Valley, seemed like the natural thing to do. There, it would be possible for him to find like-minded individuals who shared his passion for tech and maybe collaborate together to create something special. What might come as a surprise to you is how the name Oracle itself came about. The CIA needed a reliable database system to keep confidential information intact and in one place. Data storage was a tedious process in the early 1970s. It was stored on reel-to-reel tapes, a very old device that allowed the movement and storage of data, albeit at very slow speeds. Larry would work at Ampex with his friend Bob Miner. They needed extra muscle after they left, and that's where both Ed Oates and Stuart Feigen joined in. That's also where relational databases proved vital for success. To keep things short and simple, a relational database allows the sorting of data on a massive scale. At the time, IBM had an idea for that, but the brass didn't see the potential behind it. Larry did, and in 1977, Oracle was co-founded by him, Ed Oates, and Bob Miner. The name Oracle was what Larry came up with to describe the CIA project he worked on at Ampex. It was time to finish this project for real. The Oracle 2, the champion database of the future, was released in 1979. There was no Oracle 1, and the database was simple yet very efficient. The CIA was his first customer. They loved the Oracle 2 and wanted Ellison to improve upon the buggy release. The company was worth a stunning $93 million in 1986. People loved the ease of use the Oracle database provided. What makes the Oracle database so powerful? It's 4 words: reliability, scalability, robust security, and intuitiveness. The Oracle database was user-friendly to both newcomers and veterans alike, which helped it explode in popularity. Oracle database also integrates with nearly any type of software you can think of, and perhaps that's why the company is worth more than $234 billion as of 2022. Nowadays, Oracle generates revenue that's more than $42 billion as of 2022. Larry Ellison himself has a net worth of over $100 billion. Big data is another reason for Oracle's massive success, but we'll discuss that later. And that's all for Silicon Valley's Samurai Warrior. Ellison's story has a lot of educational value for us average folks. So let's see what the lessons are. Aggressive business strategies. Larry was known for his no-nonsense Oracle way of doing business. He wanted to win at all costs. If that meant stomping over rivals, cajoling people into believing in the value of his product, or winning lawsuits and securing millions of funding in dollars for his company, Larry embraced it. He was unashamed when it came to putting competitors out of business, and that earned him both notoriety and fame. Sales skills. Oracle would not be the company it is today if it weren't for Larry's savvy sales skills. He was a master of convincing businesses and people of what the database could do for them. It's the reason why he was able to make the CIA his first customer. So what do you think? Is Oracle an essential part of your business? Go watch the rest of our playlist for more stories like this.